Hi everyone, welcome to Programming with AHM. This is the first video in our introduction to web development. We'll cover everything from setting up your tools to building websites from scratch. Today we'll start with installing VS Code, a powerful code editor, and then dive into understanding the basics of HTML. So let's get started. To start writing HTML, we need a text editor. I recommend using Visual Studio Code or VS Code, because it's lightweight and packed with useful features. Here's how to install it. First, open your browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on the download button for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the instructions. After installation, open VS Code. Here's what VS Code looks like. You can create a new file by clicking File, New File, or use the shortcut. Save the file with a .html extension to start working with HTML. So I'm going to create a new file and name it helloworld.html. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the foundation of every web page and is used to create its structure. Think of HTML as the blueprint of a website. Without it, you can't display text, images, or links on a website. HTML is made up of elements and tags. Let's break it down. Firstly, tags. These are the building blocks of HTML. They tell the browser what type of content to display. And secondly, elements. An element consists of an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. For example, here h1 is an opening tag, and there's a closing tag. The closing tag comes with a / before h1. Okay, and welcome to my website is the content. Together they form an element. Let's look at some common HTML tags and their purposes. There are 6 of them. So the first one is the HTML tag. It is the root element that contains all HTML content. Okay. The second one is the head tag. This is where meta information about the web page goes, like the title. And the third one is the title tag. It sets the title of the web page and it is visible in the browser tab. And the fourth one is the body tag, which contains the visible content of the website. And fifth, we have h1 to h6 tags. Okay, these are heading tags used for titles and subtitles. And finally, we have the paragraph tag, okay, which are represented by the small letter P, okay, and it defines a paragraph of text. So in here I have an example. Every HTML document starts with the doc type HTML tag, which tells the browser it's an HTML5 document. Then we have the HTML tag, which wraps all content. Inside the head tag contains meta information, and the body tag contains the visible content, such as the paragraph tag and the heading tag. So this is what the code looks like in a web browser. I'm using Chrome, and yeah, as you can see, above the tab you have the title, and then you have a heading and the paragraph. That's it for today. We've installed VS Code and learned the basics of HTML, including elements and tags. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into creating content with HTML. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. See you next time.